a hidden sort of wonderful skill set of content marketing managers, content strategists, editors, is that they actually create systems in the ways that they think about the content, right? Like they are holding the body of content we have, how it relates to growth objectives, how we systematize content creation and optimization. Like they're holders of all of those skills, and it's a very translatable skill into a content engineering framework. They need to be generally our systems thinkers. Like you wouldn't necessarily think that's a core competency of content marketing, but it 1,000% is. They have to think a lot about production optimization and as it relates to systems, they got to deal with legal teams, the sequencing of things, and how to minimize friction in ideation to production is something that's very native to these roles. And of course, they're always thinking about measurement, or at least on our team, what is the outcome that we're going to want from this piece? And then the other thing I think about Lucy in particular is definitely has the inclination to be a full stack builder. She thinks a lot about process and how to create processes that are going to enable clock speed on the team. She glommed right away onto these concepts around extractability, for example, with LLMs. And in addition to all of those hard aspects of her skill set, the soft aspect of having a curiosity and a growth mindset. She was really excited to get in there with AirOps and not only work through our first use case and work on perfecting it, but then she also brought that to the team and demonstrated how it works to be able to share that knowledge and learning, which also helps not only reduce the fear factor about how do we do this, but also created ideas on the team around new use cases for how we could use AirOps in other arenas. And all of these things came together, and I'd say she's a really good example of this content engineering role that AirOps is using.